When I found out that my girlfriend's family has never experienced a Thanksgiving, I could not help but to go all out and make us a big Thanksgiving meal. Now keep in mind, I do live in Japan, and for those of you who have ever been abroad, you know how hard it can be to find certain ingredients from back home. So things like cheese, certain produce, and especially turkey are incredibly hard to find in Japan. But hey, you kinda gotta just learn how to make use of what you got. At the end of the day, people always say, Thanksgiving's not about what you eat, it's about who you eat it with. And I'm sure you've all heard that like a million times. Being in Japan for so long and not being able to celebrate days like this with my family back home sucks. But if there's one thing my family did teach me, it's to give like no other. With all that being said, if there's one thing I'm thankful for, it's the amount of support I've received from my family and my friends. And that includes you, the viewer. I would not be here right now if it weren't for you all, so thank you. And so now I want you to take a second and to leave a comment down below letting us know one thing you're thankful for, and I will do my best to reply. Happy holidays, everyone.